Nutritious food, eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of nutrients and can benefit our bodies in many ways. Key nutrients found in eggs include high-quality protein, healthy fats, vitamins B12 and D, choline, and minerals like iron, zinc, and selenium. Let's look at an overview of how these nutrients can benefit the body. High-quality protein. Eggs are one of the best sources of high-quality protein, as they contain all the essential amino acids our bodies need. Proteins are important for building and repairing body tissues, as well as for the production of enzymes, hormones, and antibodies. Healthy fats. Eggs contain healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids. These fats may help reduce the risk of heart disease and improve brain and eye health. Vitamin B12. Eggs are an excellent source of vitamin B12, which is essential for red blood cell production and proper nervous system function. Vitamin B12 deficiency can lead to anemia, fatigue, and neurological problems. Vitamin D. Eggs are also a good source of vitamin D, which is essential for bone health and can help prevent chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Choline. Choline is an essential nutrient found in eggs and is important for brain health and cognitive function. It can also help reduce the risk of heart and liver diseases. Minerals. Eggs contain important minerals like iron, zinc, and selenium, which are essential for immune health and energy production. In general, eggs can be a nutritious and beneficial food for the body. They can easily be included in a healthy and balanced diet, either as part of a nutritious breakfast or as an ingredient in a variety of savory and sweet dishes. It is important to remember that eggs also contain cholesterol, so it is recommended to limit their consumption to 1 to 2 per day for those who have high blood cholesterol levels. If you think this information could be useful to someone you know, feel free to share it. Thank you for following us and watching our videos. See you in the next video.